My name is Shubham Santosh Pandit, and today's video topic is main methods in Java. Main is the starting point of Java variable machine, that means JVM, to start execution of Java program. Without main method, JVM will not execute any program. The syntax of main method is public static void main in bracket string arg square bracket complete. Then firstly, public, it is an access specifier. We should use public keyword before the main method so that JVM can identify the execution point of program. If we use private, protected and default before the main method, it will not be visible in JVM. Then static, if we make method static by using the static keyword, we should call the main method without creating an object. The static method are the method which invokes without creating the object, so we do not need any object to call the main method. Void method in Java, every method has a return type. Void keyword acknowledges the compiler that main method does not return any value. And then main method it is a default signature which is predefined in Java variable machine. It is called as JVM to execute a program line by line and end the execution after the completion of method. We can also overload the main method, and we'll discuss about string arg. The main method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts a group of string which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line argument in the form of string values. Then how the execution of the process is happen, we'll discuss further about it. Firstly, JVM executes the static block, then it executes static method, and then it creates the object needed by the program. Finally, it executes instance method. JVM executes static block on the highest priority basis. That means it goes firstly to run the static block, and then it run other programs. It means JVM first goes to the static block even before it looks the main method in the program. Then we observe the JVM first execute the static block if it is present in the program. After that, it search for the main method, and if the main method is not found, it gives error. So the main method should always be written as public static void main string in bracket string arg bracket complete. We can interchange the public and static and write it as static public void main and in bracket string arg bracket complete. We can use the different name for the string type array and write it as static public void main in bracket string square bracket complete x, and as it is. Different ways to writing main method are as follows. Firstly, we can write it as static public void main string in bracket string, and then also we can write it as static public void main in bracket string dot arg. String dot arg means it allows the method to accept 0 to multiple of arguments. There should be exactly 3 dots between string and array, otherwise it gives error. Then overloading of main method. we'll discuss about how we can overload the main method in other method. We can also overload the main method. We can define any number of main method in the class, but the method signature must be different. Firstly, class overload main, and that public static void main in bracket int a is a main method we can call. So this is all about what we have learned in this method.